Hey tea lovers, welcome back to Tea of the Week. This week we're looking at a tea that's perfect for anyone who struggles with painful inflammation. Organic Anti-Inflammatory Tea has been a huge help with reducing inflammation and is blended with 7 natural ingredients. Organic Sencha is a popular green tea that is packed with antioxidants. Green tea has been studied to show benefits against many ailments, inflammation included. Most of the results from the human studies indicated beneficial effects of green tea catechins against inflammatory diseases such as arthritis. Organic ginger root has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for many ailments including inflammation. Ginger has been recently studied to show that it has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Organic cinnamon chips are delicious and a beneficial ingredient filled with antioxidants. One of the antioxidant compounds in cinnamon, cinnamaldehyde, is thought to be the source of cinnamon's anti-inflammatory properties and rich aroma. Organic holy basil contains chemical compounds that have shown great results in decreasing pain and swelling caused by inflammatory conditions. Holy basil is also an adaptogen, which can help improve the body's response to physical trauma, a common precursor of inflammation. Organic rose hips have been studied to show that they have a great effect on reducing pain related to inflammation in patients with ailments including rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. One study showed that patients stated up to 65% pain relief after taking rose hips. Organic turmeric has been used for over 4,000 years for dozens of its benefits. In terms of its anti-inflammatory benefits, turmeric has been used topically and internally for helping to reduce inflammation. Some studies have shown that turmeric can be more helpful than ibuprofen when it comes to reducing inflammation and pain. Organic black pepper is a common table spice that has multiple uses in this tea blend. Black pepper has antibacterial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory benefits. This spice contains a compound called piperine, which has strong anti-inflammatory properties and also helps the body to fully absorb the compound in turmeric called curcumin. Next, let's make a delicious recipe using our organic anti-inflammatory tea. In a saucepan, bring the apple cider, cinnamon stick, and cloves to a simmer. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes on low heat. Transfer the cider to a cup and add the tea leaves using a tea bag or infuser. Allow this to steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Once that's done, you can remove the tea leaves and garnish with extra cinnamon, and enjoy this delicious spice cider anti-inflammatory drink. Thank you so much for tuning in to Tea of the Week this week. I hope you enjoyed learning about the ingredients that go into organic anti-inflammatory tea, and we'll give our spice cider recipe a try. All the links that you need will be down in the description below, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye!